Good afternoon. This is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by ITP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate named Yuvraj Singh and candidate number 111212. Yuvraj, can you tell me something about your hometown?
Okay, I live in a countryside area nearby Khanna. Its name is village Ismailpur, and I live in since from my birth. And I love my hometown because there are lots of things I remember from my childhood as well as now.
What kind of place is your hometown?
This is as I earlier mentioned, it's a countryside area which is located nearby Mandi Govindagarh as well as in between the Khanna.
What kind of people lives in your hometown?
There are lots of people like most of the farmers live out there, and as well as some of the other professional skilled workers live there.
Do people live with the cooperation in your hometown?
Yes, there are lots of people live with their cooperation, like they have good bondings with their neighbors as well as other people who belongs to.
Any kind of changes would you like to have in your hometown?
Yes, there are lots of changes I want to change. I want to do in my hometown. Like there is no any kind of good park in my hometown, so I want to construct it.
Okay. I'll put you some more questions related to farming. Have you ever indulged yourself in the farming?
Yes, since my youngest time, I indulge myself in farming. I do help with I do help my father in fields work as well as my grandfather to do lots of work in fields to harvest the crops and as well as planting the lots of.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Pardon, please.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Yes, there are lots of people have lots of interest in farming because of environment which they live from their birth, so they have lots of interest in it, and they love to do work with their family members.
Is farming an important occupation in your country?
Yes, according to me, farming is an important part of our life and our country, because it's with the help of farming we produce lots of food and there are lots of crops.
Okay, what kind of farm would you like to visit?
There are lots of farms I was visit in my life, but mostly I love to visit at cows and buffalo farm, which is my own farm, and I spend lots of time over there because I have some of two horses and other buffaloes and cows, so I love to take care of them, and I do riding on the horses.
Okay, let's talk about sleep. How much sleep do you think a person need to stay healthy?
According to me, 8 hours sleep is important to take because it helps to fresh our mind and relax our body.
Do old people sleep more or less than the young people?
According to me, old people sleep a lot than the youngsters because they easily feel tired because of their old age.
How long do you sleep every day?
Pardon?
How long do you sleep every day?
Almost 8 to 9 hours I sleep every day because it helps to me improve my mind skills as well as to fresh my mind and relax our body to burden of work.
Right. What have you done to improve your sleep quality?
I usually prefer to listen music before sleeping because it helps to refresh my mind from lots of burdens of the hard work, and after that I sleep, so it makes my nap too good.
How do you feel when there is a noise during night?
I feel not good about sound about a noise whenever I sleep, because it's create lots of problems to take a nap. And if everyone do not take good nap, so they do not easily do any kind of work.
Can you sleep well in the noisy environment?
No, I do not sleep well in the noisy environment. As I already mentioned, it's create lots of problems to sleep. So I do not well sleep.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now we move to the part 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic, 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepads. So your topic is number 1.
This one?
Yes.
And the government are provided some type of education. In this country, I should my after I settled, I planned to move my parents in the Canada, and my sister get settled in Canada, and she advised to more good things for this country.
Okay, that's all for the first section and second section. Now we are going
Okay, start.
When I was young, so I make lots of plans for my future. I remember one of them. One of the plan I make with my sister to visit another country. Like I mostly prefer to visit Canada because it's the most beautiful country than others, and I have lots of interest in this country since my childhood. Because just as I listen from my elders about the Canada government and the rules and regulation about in this country about the whole individuals, so which suits me a lot because
Get to your plans.
okay. Why do
and
people make plans?
and there are lots of plan about for my future in this country, because I visit there to see the over the culture of this country, and I have a very good knowledge about our country and our tradition in my our country, but I mostly prefer to learn about the about Canadian culture, Canadian people culture, to follow them, and and as I earlier mentioned, my elder sister is living there. So I just heard about the lots of things about this country. Like there are several good parks, and there are lots of facilities for individuals who visit there, and also I
Okay, sufficient. Can I get my book back, please?
yes.
So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to future aspects. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having no plans?
According to me, having a lots of plan is better for our future, because if we prepare for one kind of plan, so we easily achieve it, and do lots of things about regarding there.
Why do most people make plan before they go for traveling?
Because it helps to, because if lots of people make plans before traveling, so they decide lots of things which can they do in at that place, and easily achieve it to do lots of activities at there, like click out the pictures and making the videos of surroundings over there.
Do you think planning help us to prepare for unseen troubles?
Repeat, sir.
Do you think planning help us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
According to me, do planning is best for see any kind of trouble in our travel, because if we plan lots of things about that and carry lots of needed things with us, so we easily survive that place. Like in bad weather, we use lots of things which we carry.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
Repeat the question.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
According to me, there are lots of things to do if any people face any kind of trouble in during travel. Like they have opportunities to say the government of that place as well reach to the police station to complete some kind of issue, and as well as get help from other people who lived there to survive in that situations.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
Repeat the question, sir.
Do you think unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
Yes, according to me, unsuccessful is the make our future in poverty. Indulge our future in poverty, because if we make lots of plans about regarding our work, and but do not follow them, so we also fail to achieve it.
Okay, Yuvraj, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.